best crypto apps. If you guys are watching the crypto market, you would know that Bitcoin has just dropped about $4,000. From about 48, it dropped to 42, and it's back up. Was 45, now it's 44. Let's see here. I just want to show you my wallet. Smart Money is buying right now. Everything's discounted. There is a question of whether it will go lower. There might be another 15 or 20% drop for Bitcoin, and then the altcoins, of course, follow. I want to talk about buying the rumor. If you're going to buy the rumor and sell the news, then you have to be patient. And when you buy the rumor, when you hear a rumor and you buy that coin, you have to hold until the news, because you're buying the rumor and selling the news. So many times I've lost money because I bought the rumor and I sold early just because I was in some profit, or I sold because I was broke. But when I went back and I looked at those coins that I bought them right on time. I bought them right at the right moment. So I want to go over my wallets real quick, just show you the damage done. I use about 3 different exchanges: Cash App, Nexo, and Crypto.com. I do prefer Cash App and Nexo over everything, but they don't hold all the coins that you really want. So I do use a couple other exchanges like Voyager, for instance. But this right here is my wallet. I bought XRP because of the rumor is there's a crazy conspiracy with XRP. So I'm buying it, I'm holding it, I'm not selling. Ethereum, there's so much of it being burned that it's done ridiculous things in the past. And even if it dropped 80% of its value from where it's at, I still want one Ethereum. So that's accumulating. I want to hold that. Cardano, I do kind of wish that I sold at the $3 mark. But you know, the minute I sold, I wouldn't have bought back in at the right time, and I wouldn't have as much as I have right now. It usually doesn't work for you when you buy it and then decide, or sell it and then decide to buy it back. It just never really works out. I can tell you a couple of things about buying and selling. One thing I want to say is I have regretted not selling 2 times. My wallet dropped 80% and 60% in the last 5 years, just holding. And that's a hard hit. If you had 10 grand, suddenly you got 2 grand. You know, that's that's a really hard hit to take for your wallet. But you know, you hold out, you buy more, and there's a 4-year cycle with Bitcoin. I do want to show you this graph I'm looking at on Cash App. If you look at the 1 year, this is where we're at, September 20th. Everyone's thinking it's going to drop a lot lower, just like it did up here in May. I'm not seeing that. It might drop a little bit lower, but it's not doing what it did in May. It's going to pick up, instead of dropping May like right here, it's going to pick up right there. So when it drops a little bit more, that's fine, because if you look, I think this right here, this little December to January bump is this from July to September is this mark right here. So it's going up. I'm not worried. I'm not selling. I thought about it, because look at today. But if you sell, that's when you lose. Everybody knows it. I hate even hearing it, because anybody that says, "Oh, just buy the dip, buy the dip," it doesn't always work like that. Not in a bear market. You cannot just buy the dip. But this is a bull market. The trend, even though it looks like it's going down, the 3-month trend, the 2-month trend, the 1-month trend is going up. So I'm telling you, buy the rumor, sell the news. The rumor is Bitcoin's going to be $1 million or $10 million. Hold it until it's $10 million. If you're buying, you're accumulating. If you got a whole Bitcoin and you want to buy and sell, that's fine. But I want to accumulate. I'm not selling. I've only got 3% of a Bitcoin in here. you know, I got my wallet spread out a little bit. But I just wanted to get on here and say, don't worry about what's happening in the market, because next week it's going to all change. There's going to be middle of October is going to be insane. Come December, we don't even know what's going to happen. Just buy red, sell green. I'm not a financial advisor. I just wanted to tell you exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, it's kind of nerve-wracking. It's going to wreck your nerves. But that's the crypto game, and hold on tight because we're going to the moon. Thanks.